Average wedding cost, $35,000. Average couple's budget, $15,000. The gap is bridged by these 8 strategies. 1. Venue. Your biggest lever, off-peak, winter, weekday, equals 30 to 50% less. 2. Catering. Brunch or lunch wedding is 40% cheaper than dinner. 3. Guest count. Each additional guest costs $75 to $250. Invite mindfully. Photographer. You get one chance. Bad photos last forever. Dress, rent, or buy secondhand. Still budget, but don't compromise. Food quality. Guests remember bad food for decades. DIY flowers. Trader Joe's / Costco plus tutorials equals $300 versus $3,000 florist. Spotify playlist plus Bluetooth speakers versus $2,000 DJ. Totally workable. Digital invitations, $25 versus paper, $400. Most guests prefer digital. Set your total budget first. It forces creative solutions. Saving $800 per month for 18 months equals $14,400 wedding fully funded. Avoid wedding debt. Starting marriage with $20,000 in debt adds enormous stress. Get my wedding budget planner at https://www.etsy.com/shop/emoflowco. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.